Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can allow TikTok access to camera, microphone, photos and videos on your iPhone or Android. Let's get started. For that, open up settings. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on apps. Now inside apps, search for TikTok and then tap onto it. Now inside here, you'll see a list of permissions. Turn camera on, turn microphone on, and then tap on photos and make sure you have limited access or full access selected. Now go back and make sure local network or Bluetooth is also on too. Now TikTok has access to your camera, mic and photos. If in case something does not work, head back to settings. Scroll below, then tap on privacy and security. Scroll below again, tap on camera. Scroll below again, then make sure TikTok is turned on. Do the same under microphone and photos as well. And that's it. That is how you can allow TikTok access to camera, microphone, photos, and videos. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.